guys, it's Abby. Today's video is a get ready with me with you guys. Today is Valentine's Day. Now I did receive a few products from YESSTYLE, so this video is also in collaboration with YESSTYLE. I thought why not do my makeup with you guys as we catch up. I talked to you guys a little bit more about my Japan trip like I did in my other video. I'll also be doing a miniature little vlog of what I'm doing today. My friends and cousins are coming over today for like a little party, a little Valentine's Day party. Once again, it's also going to be like a little get ready with me and then like a short little vlog at the end. So this is part of like their Etude House collaboration. They sell a lot of Korean makeup from different brands. One of my favorite ones is Etude House. So I'm so happy and fortunate to be working with them and getting some Etude House products. Oof, I dropped that. Okay, so I got two eyeshadow palettes. This is the Play Color Eyes Nude-Full Espresso. So this is in, there's a lot of browns going on here. I also got the Etude Play Color Eyes a miniature palette. So it looks like this. This is the Movie Romance Etude House palette. And then I was also sent an eyeliner and this really pretty like shimmery eyeliner as well, which I think I would put this under my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye right now. This is the Movie Romance. It's so cute, guys. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day because of all like the red and like, I don't know, I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my brush and commence this makeup look. So I'm gonna use this one right here. So anywho, it is almost March and I'll be going to Japan soon. I'm really excited about that trip. So I think all my family members now have their suitcase. My sister got her suitcase. She was actually looking for one because I think she got a really small one and she knows she wants to shop a lot. So she was like, you know what, I need to get a bigger suitcase. So she got one. So I think everyone's set for that. My mom's looking for her outfits. So I think she has quite a lot of really cute outfits she's gonna wear for Japan. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna wear. I kind of thought I knew what I was gonna wear, but I kind of don't know. I definitely want to dress kawaii, but I'm not sure for, depending on the days that we're gonna be going. I kind of wanted to get my wardrobe in Japan as well because there were so many cute things when I went back to Japan recently in Harajuku. And I was like, you know what, maybe I can just get my outfits there, like at Harajuku, because we're gonna be going to Harajuku and Shibuya at 109. I do need to make sure I blend it because it looks a bit strong. I'm gonna use this brush to blend it because, like I said, it's a lot stronger than I was expecting. My heater also turned on, so if you hear background noise, that is why. But anywho, so yeah, I'm thinking of getting some of my wardrobe in Japan because I want to leave my suitcase sort of empty because if I want to buy some souvenirs, which I think I'm going to buy a lot of stuff, I want to make sure I have enough space for it. I've been telling my family as well, like, you know, try to like keep your suitcase not too full in case you want to buy stuff because trust me, when you're in Japan, you're going to want to buy a lot of stuff. My parents really want to get snacks. They're like really big on Japanese snacks and food because Japanese snacks are so good and Japanese food in general is amazing. My dad's really excited about Akihabara because he's really big on like gaming and stuff like that. And then my sisters and I are obsessed with Harajuku and Shibuya. We're really excited about that. My younger sister has not been to Japan, so I think she's really excited about like the clothing and things like that and checking out Harajuku and those shops. We're planning on dressing the same for Disneyland, like our Disneyland trip, because we're going to be going to Tokyo Disney Sea and Tokyo Disneyland, and a lot of girls dress up like the same. They'll wear the same outfit. Typically, it's school uniform, so I kind of want to do that with my sisters, but we're thinking of getting the school uniform in Japan because, I mean, what, Japanese school uniform, so why not get it there? So I'm like, maybe I don't need to find an outfit for that day. So I can just leave my suitcase, like I said, a little bit empty so I have space for that. I also really want to shop at Closet Child, which is a thrift shop in Japan. I think they have one in Ikebukuro as well. But they sell specifically like Japanese, like kawaii fashion brands. So these are things like Liz Lisa, even angelic pretty like Lolita fashion as well. So I feel like it's like the go-to place if you are someone who's part of the J fashion community who loves Japanese kawaii fashion. Really go to Closet Child because they're thrift shops, and I really want to see if they have any Liz Lisa clothing because I really miss like the old Liz Lisa, like this type of fashion. It was so cute, and unfortunately they started selling different things now. I think because they weren't really selling, or I think it was more like himekaji fashion. I did a video explaining to you guys what himekaji fashion is all about. I explained to you guys how that style was, I think, was really popular back in the 2010s, but not so much anymore. But Liz Lisa really aligned like really well with that brand, and I feel like just himekaji fashion really went out of style. I think the one that's really popular right now is jidaike fashion. Okay, sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, like layer over. This is supposed to be a base color that I just did, but I feel like it's sort of a strong, like a main color, but we're just gonna go ahead and apply that over it. This eyeshadow palette is beautiful, and I think it works really well with my skin tone. Okay, so back to Japan. So yeah, so I'm thinking about getting a school uniform. I wanted to get it at Goromi, but Goromi is really expensive, so I'm thinking of maybe getting it at this other shop I saw when I was in Japan. Japan recently in Harajuku, they had, I think, a little bit more affordable school uniforms. I'm gonna go ahead and use this really small flat brush, and I'm gonna be using this really dark color to kind of apply under the eye to make the YESSTYLE kind of stand out a little bit more. Once again, we're gonna be using concealer to kind of clean that up, so I think it should be fine. So we're gonna smile. The makeup look is kind of reminding me of like a Tim Burton character. Not what I was going for, but we're just gonna blend that later. Now, using this same like purple dark color, I'm gonna also use that sort of like an eyeliner, using like an eyeshadow color, because I feel like this color is really dark. Definitely gonna happen. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use this shimmery color that's right down here. And I'm gonna apply that literally under the eye to kind of make that pop a little bit and create more of a prominent YESSTYLE. This one I'm gonna be using my fingers for it because I feel like shimmer applies on better when you're using your fingers. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna smile. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little shimmery eyeliner under my eye and see how that looks, because I feel like it's perfect for YESSTYLE. Yeah, I think it's shiny and cute. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now, eyeliner. Okay, this part is always so hard for me to do on camera. I love how small the little tip is. It really makes it easy to apply on the eyeliner on the eye. So I did it on camera, and I actually quite like the eyeliner. Because I'm going with a whole brown look, I kind of want to use this brown mascara. I think I'm going to go with I'm going to go ahead and use the brown mascara that I got from the other video I did with you guys, another Get Ready With Me. This was part of another YESSTYLE collaboration. Now, using the Nutiful Espresso eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go ahead and use some of the shimmery tone colors they have, as well as their cream shadows to help with the contour. So I'm going to go ahead and use this really light one that looks kind of like a peachy, creamy color. And then using the shimmery tone color right here, I'm going to go ahead and use that as like a highlighter. So I'm going to put it the inner corner of my eyes. I like that even though it's a little bit, kind of has a nice little brown shade to it, it still looks quite bright and stands out. Now, as for blush, I think I'm going to be using this lower color right here. It's kind of got like a reddish tint to it, so I think that might work well as a blush. Let's try it out. Okay, I feel like that worked really, really well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply on some lipstick. I'm gonna be using this shade. I think it's from the Satin collection from the brand e.l.f. and this is in the shade Nectar. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that. It's kind of like a nice little peachy tone color. So this is the finished makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and probably fix a few stuff because it's always hard for me to get the makeup just right on camera. And then I'm gonna go ahead and change and then start prepping for the party. It's gonna be here, so we need to make sure that the table is ready. We're gonna set up the table and put on the plates and all that cute stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and change and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. This is my Valentine's Day outfit. So I decided to wear something that would go well with the makeup look. I was gonna wear something like red because of Valentine's Day, but I didn't feel like this makeup look would look well with something red. I feel like if I would have done maybe a red lip with like more of a neutral makeup look, it would have worked better. I think this outfit is still quite cute. Now this top is actually also from YESSTYLE. I showed it to you guys in my, I think it was my Christmas fashion lookbook or maybe New Year's. I think it was a Christmas one. So I'll leave a link to it somewhere up here for you guys to check it out. One of my favorite shirts, definitely very like elegant, very cute. It's exactly what I was trying to go for, kind of like a cute, fancy, like Valentine's Day look. So this is the finished makeup look. I think the items were absolutely beautiful. I love how pigmented the colors are. Like for example, the color that I decided to use as a base was actually quite pigmented. It was such a strong color and I love that because it really stays on the eye. You can really blend it and kind of work off of it. So a little goes a long way, guys. So don't do what I did where I added a bunch of product on my eyes that I look like I, didn't sleep in years. But anywho, the colors are also very, very beautiful. Perfect for the autumn. If you are someone who also is more of like an autumn tone person, someone who looks better with warm tone colors or just like those types of shades, I highly recommend you guys to get those items. They're absolutely beautiful. I know I didn't use the other eyeshadow palette, but I did use some of the shimmery tone colors they had, and I love how creamy and how smooth they were. Even the lighter shade of colors looked really, really nice and are perfect for a natural look. And I highly recommend you guys to get the Etude House eyeshadow palettes. They're absolutely beautiful. I'll also leave a link of all the products that I used in the description box below in case you guys are interested in checking them out. I'll also leave a link link to the website in the description box below in case you guys want to get other Korean makeup items from different brands and also Korean fashion. So go ahead and look at the website. That doesn't mean you're going to be on that website for quite a while. Now I really want to show you guys my outfit for today. So this is my finished makeup look. It is a kind of cute, peachy, almost like champagne makeup look. I didn't really know what I was going to go for today's look, but it kind of reminds me like a champagne makeup look. Super, super cute. So I'm wearing a pearl necklace as well as pearl earrings to match with the look, to kind of elevate the look, make it look a little bit more fancy and cute. And then I'm wearing this really, really cute top from YESSTYLE. It's kind of like a straight cut top. It is so, so cute. I was trying to debate when I could use this top. I thought maybe for a party, but I thought why not today? It would work so, so well. And then I'm wearing a black pencil skirt. So I'm going to go ahead and actually set up the table, make the pasta, things like that. Party, I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So this is a table we're all gonna eat and where we're gonna have essentially the party. So it's like the main table. And then these are all the stuff that we got for the party. So we have napkins that say Happy Valentine's Day. We have, I think this is a banner. And then these are little baggies because we kind of wanted to do what we would typically do. I don't know if we do it in other places, but in the US, when you were a kid, typically everyone would bring a Valentine's Day cards and you would put them in everyone's bags. So we bought bags and we asked everyone to bring a card or candy or something. And then we got plates. So these are for the cake. And then we have bigger plates for the food and things like that, chips. And then we have the main plates for the food. We're having pasta. And then these are for like cups. We have these white heart cups, and then we have Valentine's Day bingo. We have different chocolate, and then we have the brownie funfetti mix for today. And this is the ravioli. This is the Italian 4-cheese ravioli that we got from Costco, and I thought it would be perfect for today's event because it's like Valentine's Day themed. Everyone's so excited about it. We also got Fun Dip. These are going to be the cards that we're going to be giving out to our friends and family for Valentine's Day. Instead of doing cards, we thought candy would be better. Like I feel like people would enjoy it better. Okay, so this is how the table looks like. I feel like this is for a smaller table because I had to kind of stretch it on the side so it looks kind of weird. But I think it sort of works for the idea. Okay, so this is the table. I have the plates and napkins here. I think my sister has an idea what she wants to do, so I'm gonna ask her. I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, and then I need to make the brownies because that needs to be made like ASAP. So I'm just gonna do this quickly and then start working on the food. I'm just gonna put the bags next to the plates so that they have their own bag for when we do the whole card exchange. That way they have like a little baggie to put their stuff in. The banner is up now. It looks so cute. So this is the way the table is looking like right now. It is looking so cute. We might add some flowers or something else, but for now, this is the way it's looking. We have the cup for everyone, the plate, napkin, and a little bag for their candy and letters. It's all looking adorable. We decided to add some flowers in the center as centerpieces for the table. I think it looks really, really cute. And then my sister's working on the brownies. Let's go see what she's making over there. So I'm not sure if we over-baked them or something, but it seems like the chocolate at the top kind of melted. So they're looking kind of interesting, but I think from far away they look kind of cute, so we're just rolling with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the Kawaii family. I'm almost at 3K subscribers, so you guys can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!